Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here again with another dupe Friday. So if you want to see what I dupe out, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
You don't care what you're doing to me.
Okay, so I'm gonna use Burning Burgundies from Plain Makeup by Yolondo, which looks like so. I'm gonna go into this shade. So I'm gonna use this brush. This is a Y210, and I'm gonna go into the darker shade and put it right here. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with my inner corner right here. And do the same thing here. Okay, that is that. I'm gonna use this brush. This is actually a 7.5 round shader brush from Rae Morris, and I'm just gonna like blend this. It's just a big old fluffy brush. And then back to this. And then back to this. Now, I'm gonna put a little glitter glue on this. This is a Y215. I'm actually gonna use this. This is from Peaches, I think, like glitter, and then this one is called Selfie. And I'm just gonna put a little here. Ooh. It's a lot. And I'm just gonna buff it up a bit. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and I'm gonna use this foundation from Glossier. And I'm gonna use my Love is in the Air foundation brush. So when I first got this foundation, I got a shade that was like really light. That's when I was doing like my foundation Fridays. And then I returned it and I got a darker shade. Very like, man, I have the biggest pimple here. And then for concealer, I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape. Right here. And then I'm gonna use still this, but in just a different shade. This is like pretty much done. But we're gonna use everything that's in there. This is literally $32. And then I'm gonna use my Fashion Fear to contour my face, and this is on a flawless concealer brush from Lithe or Lithe. Then I'm gonna use this E4 brush from Morphe and just tap this thing from Fashion Fair. It's actually a foundation. So just in case if you go looking for it, it is not a contour stick. It is an actual foundation. But I don't... There's a lot of like foundation sticks that I actually don't like for foundation, but I will use them for what do you call that? For contour, because they blend nicely. For that, for some reason, I feel like they stay very greasy on my face, so which is why I don't use them. But and this is my slick brush. I'm just blending this. Oh wow! So you know one thing I did not do is put any concealer in my inner corners, like right here. Perfect. So let us go ahead and set the under eye. And I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty in Banana Bread. Oh wow, I totally forgot to put my lash. But it's fine. Let's see if this lashes still gonna stick. Them lashes look quite huge. Okay, so let us talk about our dupes today. And today I'm gonna dupe out this pressed powder contour from Colourpop, which also has like a little shimmer-ish. I don't know if you can see it, but it does have like a little shimmer. And then I'm gonna dupe out the Luminous Silk bronzing powder, also from, so it's not also, which is from Armani. I think their shades are pretty similar, kind of. See? Oh no, I think this might be a little bit darker. But these are the two that we're gonna dupe out today. Let's read a little bit about them. So let's go in with the Colourpop. So they have 8 shades and it is $12, and it says the light as air pressed powder formula instantly warms, add warmth, depth and dimension to your complexion with a natural matte finish in 8 inclusive shades. Okay, I don't know about inclusive because my shade is the darkest, which is Moonlight Beach. Oh, like this beach, this is the darkest. Like inclusive now, but let's keep it moving. This is shade 120 from Armani, and oh god, they have even the least shade, and this is the darkest shade. But you know what, I think I could have gotten away with shade 110, which is Sun Embrace. I think this is a little bit too dark for me, but there's only 4 shades and it is $58. 12 and $58. It says smooth, even, natural photon glow, an ultra creamy bronzing powder infused with carrying oils for smooth, even application with a long wear luminous finish. This bronzer formula delivers an instant Italian summer glow. Formulated with micronized pigments that help to blur and smooth the appearance of texture, the ultra creamy powder melts into skin seamlessly and stays in place up to 24 hours. Apply all over the face and eyelids for an effortless glow, sun-kissed look. So let us jump into that. And yeah, so first I'm gonna go into this. I'm gonna use my Alleyoop brush because this is the last brush I use in here. So we're gonna use this, and I'm gonna put this. Let's do this on this side. And I'm gonna like switch my brushes. You know, I used this recently, but I actually haven't like used my how you call that? That ColourPop one. I think I only used that like once. See, I feel like it's a little red, and maybe I should have taken a lighter shade. They don't carry this in my store, so I have to order it online, which that's usually the worst. Okay, and I'm gonna go into this brush, which is a Sephora Even Tail 72 brush, into the ColourPop. And we're just gonna. I feel like the shades might be a little off. Cause as I say, like this is like the darkest shade. Like look at this. And look at this. Hey, but oops. As the internet people say, just keep it moving if it's not your shade. Also, this says it's matte. This is actually not matte. I feel like this gives me more of a glow than this. And this definitely looks glowy in the pan. Like you can see this. So, and then this is the non-glow. Oh, this is the side that's supposed to be glowy. Who knows? This gives you a nice little flush, I think, but these shades are gonna be like for the birds. Yeah, I don't know about that. I'm gonna use this from Laura Mercier. It is the Tropic Hues. It's a blush. I'm just gonna do a little bit of this, that dark shade. Okay, we're almost done. Let's do something to the lip real quick. Let's do Versatile Chestnut from Makeup Forever. Let's use Buttergloss from NYX in Mandelion. And let us spray the face, not with this, but with this. Scandinavia. Okay, so now let us talk about these bronzers. Is this bronzer from ColourPop going to work? Yes, it's gonna work. Is it a dupe? No. Like I feel like, so this is the Giorgio Armani side, and this is the, like you can barely see that I have bronzer here, and it's like the darkest shade, that is a huge turn off for me. And then this is just so smooth, like it's just so, yes, none to compare. So this is the Giorgio Armani, this is the ColourPop. Is it a dupe? No. Can you use this? Yes, but if you can if you have the money to spend for the Giorgio Armani, get it. I think it's a better buy, and this is gonna last you forever. So yeah, this is not a dupe, so you can use it for a contour or bronzer, but it's not a dupe for the Giorgio Armani, in my opinion. So yeah, so that's it guys for this Dupe Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.